Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta oil leak issues and outlines commonly documented situations where engine oil may seep or drip from the vehicle. An oil leak in a Ford Fiesta can appear as oil spots under the car, a burning oil smell, or a gradual drop in engine oil level. These signs can develop slowly and may vary depending on model year, engine type, mileage, and maintenance history. In general, oil leaks in the Ford Fiesta may be associated with aging engine seals or gaskets that lose flexibility over time, especially in higher mileage vehicles. Some versions may experience seepage around valve cover sealing surfaces, while older generations may show oil residue near the oil pan area due to gasket wear. Another potential contributing factor could be oil filter or drain plug sealing issues after servicing, which may indicate improper installation rather than a component failure. In certain cases, crankshaft or camshaft seal wear could also be involved, though this does not apply to every model or year. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible approaches to address oil leaks generally involve inspecting the engine exterior to identify the source, confirming gasket or seal condition, and ensuring oil service components are properly tightened and sealed. Repairs can range from simple gasket replacement to more involved seal repairs, depending on the confirmed source of the leak. These steps are general guidance and may not resolve every case. When reviewed across multiple generations, oil leak behavior in the Ford Fiesta tends to vary by age and usage rather than a single universal cause. Vehicles with regular maintenance may experience slower progression, while neglected oil changes or harsh driving conditions could accelerate seal wear. In conclusion, a Ford Fiesta oil leak can stem from several different factors, and the exact cause depends on the individual vehicle, its model year, and service history. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.